Today I want to talk about rigging plates. And for the longest time we were wondering what the strength relations were in regards to the thickness of a rigging plate. And from the past and doing other pull tests and other products, we kind of realized that every millimeter of thickness of the material that we use, which is 6061 in a T6 temper, it kind of is 1,000 pounds less or more depending on which direction you're going to go. So we thought, like, you know what, let's make some rigging plates and pull test them. Okay, here we are. First one, 6.6 millimeter thick snowflake, the smaller one, as you can tell, and it's about to, there it went at 27.7 kilonewtons. Not a bad result, good enough to actually pass the CE certification of 5,000 pounds or 22 kilonewton, but we wanted something more beefier, so let's have a look at the next one. Here we are, number 2. It's 7.5 millimeter thick rigging plate. As you can tell, it's still the small snowflake, and it's pulled in the same direction, of course, by 2 steel carabiners that are both 50 kilonewtons, very common carabiner, steel, D-shape. So let's see what the result's going to be. Oh, there it went at 32.6 kilonewtons. Not a bad result at all, but as you can tell, we wanted to go a little bit beefier than that. So let's have a look at the next one and see what the results are there. Here we are, number 3, 8.4 millimeters. It's slightly thinner than we want it to be, right? 8.5 or 8.4, but as you can tell, making something on the fly is always creates some little bit of tolerances. But let me see what the result is here, and it is 37.5 kilonewtons. Not bad. It's actually the minimum breaking strength of the 3/8 rigging plate, which we're going to see next. Okay, let's have a look at the last one. It's our regular snowflake, which is 3/8 of an inch thick. We clean off the sides a little bit, so that brings it down to 9.6 millimeters. And when we pull test it, let me see what the results are going to be. There it went. Same breakage as the other ones, just on the top, but at 41.7 kilonewton, it's well over our calculated minimum breaking strength. And as expected, every step along the way that we saw just over all the pull tested, 1,000 pound difference in strength. So not bad, not a bad day of testing. Well, that was some pull testing on the snowflake in different thicknesses. We set out to see if every millimeter would give us 1,000 pounds of strength, and it does. There's a little bit of variation here, but that's with every unscientific testing. It's always a variation in there. To make it more accurate, we would need to do a lot more testing, of course. Well, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any requests or would like to see us pull something, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.